So do you know earlier creators were considered as a small marketing channel, but by 2026 it has gonna become 150 billion marketing industry. And brand depends on creators. Why? To build trust with their targeted audience. Now there is a lot of maturity in this content creation. It means that industry is becoming aware and more professional. So do you know what is the creator economy? It is the group of those people who create the content online. So basically why the brand reach to creator is they want to reach to their customers. So do you know brands are no longer choosing creator just for the sake of views and followers. They want a real result. That is, first is trust. Then there is sales, engagement, and leads. So let's understand by using an example. So do you know a shoe brand earlier what it happened? It paid and celebrity influencer to post one photo wearing its shoes. Now, do you know shoe brand work with those fitness creator who regularly shares running tips and uses the shoes in their content? You know what? In 2025, many companies were facing a deep impact due to economic condition and global crisis. Now, so do you know what they did? They chose a safer option. They focused on small content, small creator partnership, and marketing a good lower marketing resource instead of trying new marketing things. Brand used to treat creator marketing as an experiment in 2025, but now creators are part of marketing and expect them to produce a real business results. So brand doesn't care about how many creators they hire, how many viral posts they get. They just care about the consistent sales, regular leads, and repeatable results. Earlier, if a creator got 1 million views, the campaign was considered a success. The new way of thinking is different. If creator brings 15 customers every month, then the campaign is considered as a success. So, you know, people are getting tired of endless short videos. So, brands are now investing in long form content because it can educate people, build trust, and keep generating views for months or even years. Do you know that brands are choosing small creators over big creators because people trust them more? Each creator focus on on one specific topic such as fitness, finance, coding, and skin care or other specialized area because their audience see them as expert and trust their recommendation. Older way was that a creator gets rupees 3,000 to promote a product. And a new way is that a creator gets rupees 1,000 plus rupees 10,000 for every 100 sales generated. Build long-term relationship with creators instead of one-off promotions. Creators are no longer just posting content. They are businesses with the own their audience and influence. Huh?